Making an egg is one of the simplest yet most versatile skills in the kitchen. First, grab a fresh egg. Look for one that's clean and uncracked. Now let's talk methods. For a classic scrambled egg, crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and pepper and whisk until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add a little butter and pour in the eggs. Stir gently with a spatula until they're fluffy and just set. If you prefer fried eggs, heat a bit of oil in the pan. Crack the egg directly in and let it sizzle. For sunny side up, cook until the whites are firm but the yolk remains runny. If you like it over easy, gently flip it for just a few seconds. And for the perfect hard-boiled egg, place eggs in a pot, cover with water, bring to a boil, then simmer for about 9 to 12 minutes. After that, plunge them into ice water to stop the cooking. Eggs are not just a breakfast staple, they're a canvas for creativity. Add herbs, cheese, or veggies to mix things up. Enjoy your egg, however you choose to make it.